Oh Lord, hi everyone, welcome back to the Francis people. We're going on the road, at least we want to go on the road from long from we come from work. We want to go on the road, but let me tell you, the heat turn up. It turn up till it buck. When I tell you this heat no normal from yesterday. The humidity, it's like you're in a one oven, literally oven. I don't know, this heat is stubborn.
When I know snow, I heat.
Jesus. Me say, you can't even touch the things I'm in the car. The heat stand up on my skin. Right now, people, me say, my sinus are give me a warm time from a couple of days ago because the heat. Me can't manage the heat, it bother my sinus. Up on me, them call it palate. A palate you call it?
Palate.
No man. Up the top of my mouth, sore. A palate. When me tell you say people it swell and it's sore because my sinus are drain. It no normal at all. It doesn't have a throat. We do ever get to go walk in the park because it's a eat no normal, man. People if you not go up on the road, don't go up on the road. Because this heat is not good for us at all. People, we soon reach a Walmart and guess what? Thunderstorm. The time hot, you know, look how the time just get dark. You see when we show you. When I show you people, my God, the car shake, Then say thunderstorm, you know, the people look outside. And we leave the umbrella in the house because we use it for my grandson the other day. Whoa, the vehicle shake, people. Look on the tree them. Look there.
Watch up something jump off one building top, that's all I go.
Where?
Oh, there's something leap off one building top.
Thunderstorm people are way out here, Jesus. What a something. But you realize it light red, then it go up on orange, then it come back on red, it don't go up on green. It means say maybe power go cut in no babes. Look outside already short a time. No sir. No sir, you know me no way to pass the road like that. Look at that. Look on the water upon the road. The rain. Quick and fast. I never see anything. Look on the wire them. This come out of nowhere. Me I tell Francis then say we're going to have a thunderstorm. You know, you must say no tomorrow. Look at that. Wow. Look at this stuff. The car shake like trouble people. Francis, how will we come out of the house, sir?
Yes,
Look outside, people. Why we come outside? The car shake left, right. You like them things there, no? All know our side no say green. At first ever take so long. Wow, come on light. Boy, people, look at what we call this a day, babes. What do you think? When you're lane, babes. Look at that, them are closing door. Wow. This is serious. This came out of nowhere. One thing with the weatherman, you know, when them tell you a time, you know, it a come, it might be a couple minutes off, but they said that we're going to have thunderstorm 7 o'clock and it start like 5 minutes after. Wow.
7:15 now.
Yeah. I don't even know where I'm coming out of this vehicle. The breeze blow away the rain a while ago. Then look on a lady over Wells Fargo with umbrella. Umbrella can't work now. But I guess she wants to shelter herself from the rain. Wow. Come light, come. Babes, you forgot say. Francis I turn and I realize he don't get the turn signal yet. You wait. We not in a no hurry. And we this now. Look how long it take put on the turn signal. Wow. Woo! I don't like the lightning, you know, people. Afraid of the lightning. But look how over there so clean and pretty. Look over there so clean. And we are get the thunderstorm, the rain and everything. Francis just go straight now. Because we are about to go for the so far and over there is supposed to fall. You see here so a pick up. Where? Tracy parking. You know see here so a pick up for when them order online. Where to drop me in front and you want to walk? Alright, Francis go let me have people and him go park the car. You go come back here so? Anyway, people reach Walmart. Stick and stay, people. People I don't even remember say tomorrow Thanksgiving. One night I remember and then me no remember again. In here full. I want some lettuce. I don't like buy the big one them, you know, because I don't really eat lettuce like that. Give me how much? Then me have $2. $2.28. $2.28. I take up one cabbage and some tomato. One scallion. Take up 2. Me no bad. No bad at all. And scallion hour. $1.17 one. I think we still have some just a tap up. People them here colored green. You know me never ever tried it yet. This time me say me go try it. Babes, see the colored green with them always cook at Thanksgiving and people cook it at 4th of July. Every time I say me try it cause I wonder if it tastes like callaloo. What do you think? Try it tomorrow? You know I go there. It's biggie, man. You want one smaller one, people, and a smaller one. Where? Oh, this is a kale. Yeah, a smaller one. Maybe I treat I go shrimp. That's why. I don't see no smaller one. Because next time I go buy it and don't like it. They say I want some cherry. The cherry are big and pretty enough, people. Look there. The pan cherry. So them big and pretty. Yeah. No, what name? No bell pepper not there here. No bell pepper. Sometimes it's sitting in mix, but we don't see them. Not like them one. If anything, I go Supreme. Sorry. Francis wants some okra, but they want to look big and whole. big one always hold. How much your okra? See if you see price okra. Okra $4.23. $4.23 for see this. Eh? Colors, we need some other okra up on your tree. People look on my finger. Hey, look on my finger. It's ugly. Alright, me have carrot already. Look on the lime, people. 20 cents each. 20 cents each for one lime. 20 cents each. We're going to work out how much one lime in a Jamaican because at 20 cents each. People work it out quick and fast. One US about $153 in Jamaica. One cause I want 50. So if I want $150 to one US, how much 20 cents in a Jamaican for one lime? They move this again, Francis, you see it? Every time you come in here, they move up the place again. Cause see Jamaica section here, they move it again. So you have to look good when you come in at them place. Jesus, Hockey Comb Linstead Market. Blow wow. People know long we not see no Hockey in here. Blow wow. How much you raise it to now? Cause it used to be $10. How much you gone to now? Let me see. $13.97 to shit. Sorry people, mind my language. My God. The Aki gone to $13. No man. That too much take up 2 coconut milk, babes. Now go buy some of them cherry and then sweet.
Oh, the guy go with them when the farmer program with you.
That's sweet. You can't believe it, Aki there. Make sure I can serve it tomorrow for dinner. What's the one? Mom, I'm browning. Browning price drop. People, as soon as I open one something, me buy it back. I open the browning from there. So may I buy back one. We have enough crackers? Sorry. And 2 pineapple. How else do you want? Take up 2 of that, please. You still have oats, right? Yeah. Okay. I want banana chips, but they don't have banana chips. They don't have plant. I don't like plant chips, people. I rather banana chips.
You need one of these for the soup.
Alright. No corned beef. Oh, corned beef today. Come take up 2 now, babes. We have in a cupboard, right? Yeah. Alright. People don't eat tuna. Well, I don't eat tuna. Francis eats tuna. Whoa, I see season here. Why? You know long me I look for these people. You remember the last vlog I did? I said I'm looking for a season that my daughter-in-law have and I like it. I look at them, just get it. See it here, babes? See it here. But it's a cube. Me don't want the cube. Oh my God, me don't want the cube. I wonder if I eat this. Yeah, I eat this. Yeah, I eat this. Me don't want the cube.
I buy 2 because you might not see it when I come back.
Them have different one in there. Them have chicken, they have beef. That's a chicken one. This what this? I don't know, never know that one. Chicken bouillon powder. They never have none ready when we come in here. Alright. Go and work with that one there for now. You need anything more over here, sir? And these are the chicken breast. No, chicken breast like, or you don't have tuna or chicken breast that. I want vinegar. Vinegar done. People look at the avocado earlier. Right? $23 sweet. And you see the big bottle where we use a $15 fee. All because a brand. Yeah, brand. I hear so all of the bread them there. Healthy bread. This is our beef free, gluten free, homemade, home style sandwich, white sourdough. Them claim say them bread are healthy. This is Hawaiian sweet bread, gluten free. I wanna say burger bun, gluten free. What is this? This bula, but no bula. Canyon bake, gluten free, bagel, sourdough, gluten free. All of the elbow macaroni. Oh, so these are the healthy. So the healthy aisle. What first me I see this? I know much time I come in here and look for the gluten free stuff them. And then gluten free Italian chicken soup. All the fig bar them. Gluten free. Okay. I don't know what was me I see this other section here. All the pizza crust. Yeah, pizza crust with sourdough, gluten free. Wow. One baking powder. The one you may have all. See there? One baking blue one, yeah. Yeah. Oh, see almond flour, yeah? Almond flour and coconut flour. Oh, what is coconut flour? People never hear about coconut flour. See oat flour, yeah, babes? People never know that they have oat flour. How what is? Is this telling me something that I need to I need to change up my diet completely. See the all-purpose gluten-free flour, yeah? I wonder how it is.
Coconut flour, that tastes good.
The coconut flour?
Yeah.
Think so?
Yeah.
Cassava flour, babes.
No.
Semolina flour. Tapioca flour. Dark rye flour. Artisan red flour. All-purpose organic flour. Wow.
Some of them stuff they are pies.
You hear that? Man says someone else took me a poison. No one wants self-rice. No, sir, people. Watch a iris moss powder. So then try the iris moss and thing there. Yeah. Cocoa roasted peanut powder with cocoa and M protein. Wow. See the chai seed here? Beer said it's good, babes? Yeah, they say good.
What, for furlong?
No, it say better for eat, for your body, health wise, and it help you lose weight. Yeah.
I always accompany my weight to eat it. You always buy it when you take the first try to taste it.
You get to me and say, this are what? Ground flaxseed, collagen, peptides, brownie mix. Wow. People, let me tell you, first, me I see this section here. First, yellow camel. Oh, me never see this section yet, babes. And this our cinnamon toast crunch. That's a pancake, you know? Cinnamon toast crunch pancake. All them people love cinnamon toast cereal like my daughter. So they have the pancake mix. Hush brown. See your hush brown, the babes. They love hush brown. Oh man, this surprising to me. Popeyes. See, babes, see the Popeyes biscuit that we like. Wow. Oh me just see this. Oh me just see this. Eh? Bread roll. It's a roll and bun. And it's a organic super seed. Gluten free. Oh man, I tell you, it's a Walmart turn up with choices, you know man. Watch it. Wow. Seasoned flour there. Wow. People see killer, yeah? Stevia. Me don't know how comes them something are sweeter than the sugar. No man. Something wrong. I don't know how them are sweeter than sugar. You can't drink it. So honey. So organic amber agave. What is that? Alright, next. I'm gonna look at any chicken foot over this. Chicken foot. The last time we come in here with chicken foot. No good at all. I don't think they have any because people them are buy for 4th of July tomorrow. No in your babes. Chicken foot I hear so I would have them but none didn't. Boy, me chota give me a warm time. I don't even see no snapper. Pure tilapia. You want ya? You want a biggie man? What do you think? Ain't no bad? Alright. Fancy said no bad, so we are going with it. You don't want no shrimp. We have shrimp. Alright, you want water. No one a creamer. Okay. Soap. People look there. It's uncomfortable. It's uncomfortable, people. People normally buy this, it's nice. Take up one accident. No, me not like them one day. Take up one arm and armor. Then one, yeah. Different one. People look on friends that look snow boot already. Look here, nobody kill me spirit here, man. Cause we just done in a summer here talk about snow. Come here, man, you come on. Don't bother with the foolishness about snow. Make we go on, we done. I know snow story. I know saying in winter time make me depressed like anything else. I talk about snow. Well, leave down here, people. Look on them shoes that are on clearance. I want to say clean meadows inward scent. 4-time freshness. Take that one. People can imagine, look on the difference. We coming in here a while ago. Oh, the thunderstorm come like a place a mash up. And look how the sky clean and pretty now. Look there, you see little cloud, yes, but look how the place nice again. No, that weather come from nowhere. But anyway, we finish shop and we going home. And we might go look something for eat. Look at that. I don't understand why. You saw things can happen, people. Weather. My husband I get old. In babes where I get old.
I get heavier than heavy every day, no? They might get heavier babes.
Yeah, and a 40. I know it in now. I get heavier, you know, my body I break down. My body I get, you know. That's a time fit stop, lift up the whole things there. Boy, people when you come shopping, you know, and you reach home, you know, a hell of a thing for carrying the grocery, you know, and then we go up couple flight of stairs. Not a lot, but Me not tell a lie, me no like it. That type part tight me no like. Me no like that. That's the one I think we miss with Jamaica. The land flat, we don't have to go up no step. We just go in the yard and we just carry the grocery in the house. Quick and fast. But all the places where we live, we have to go up step. You know, babes?
Well, Florida was the worst one.
Florida was like, you go around in a circle. One set of step, then you go around, one set of step, then you go around, one set of step, and you go around again, the last set of step. And you walk from way to car park. No, man. The struggle is real. Boy, I don't want to go Sam's out now. Go happen again, people. I'm tired. Not gonna happen again. Time to go home. I don't want to buy chicken. But now go happen again. Take out the soap and nobody left it in the pops. Alright, that is it, people. Stick and stay. The sky clean up right now. Only a few clouds in the air. See it? And what time it is now? Let's go in the car and see the time. So we finished. How much it come up to? Our bill come up to $176.27. And the little tax that go on it make it be $178.23. That is it. We are on our way. Look at the sky compared to when we were coming. Yep. They might build one car wash there, so. Sparkle car wash coming soon. The bus stop needs to be on the other side, so it moved this so now. Anyway, people, we're going home. Stick and stay. It is now 8:27. So we spend an hour and a little bit in a Walmart. Because when we reached it was what, 7:15. And it's 8:27 now. That not bad.
Hey, first you come out so early.
I lie, man. You hear that at first me I come out so early. Ooh, I know exactly what I want. I know exactly what I want.
See?